Google launched Pomelli in all countries in the world, and it's the best tool that will help you in marketing. In this video, I'll show you how to use Pomelli, a Google product, to generate marketing assets for your brand or any product. Let's start by going to the Pomelli website.
First, click on Get Started and sign in to Pomelli using your Google account. Once you're inside, Pomelli will ask you to enter your business website. Simply paste your website link here. And now, Pomelli begins analyzing your brand. This step might take a few seconds, but what's happening in the background is actually very powerful. Pomelli is studying your entire website to understand your brand identity. It looks at your design, your messaging, your visuals, and even the tone of your content. And just like that, it gives you a complete breakdown of your brand. You can see it has automatically extracted key elements like your brand logo, fonts and typography, color palette, tagline, brand values, brand voice, overall business summary. It even collects images directly from your website. So everything stays consistent with your original brand. This is extremely useful because all this information helps Pomelli create marketing campaigns that actually match your brand. And the best part is, if anything looks incorrect or doesn't feel right, you can easily edit it here. Just click and adjust whatever you want. Once you're happy with everything, click on Looks Good to move forward. Now you'll land on the campaign page. And here, Pomelli has already started generating some marketing assets for you. Next, I'm going to enter a campaign idea for this brand. Just type your campaign concept here and click on Generate Ideas. Now, Pomelli starts creating content based on your input. It uses your brand's voice, style, and visuals to generate marketing creatives. As you can see, it has generated multiple images for the campaign. These are aligned with the brand identity, but currently it's using images taken from the website. If you want more control, you can customize everything here. You can change the product, adjust the image style, and even select different formats or sizes. Now, let me show you the most powerful feature, the photoshoot tab. This is where things get really interesting. Here, you can upload your own product image and turn it into professional marketing visuals. You can choose from different styles like in use, studio, ingredients, flat lay. Since this is a perfume product, I'll select styles that highlight elegance and premium feel. And now Pomelli will generate high-quality product images, just like a real photo shoot, but without hiring a photographer or setting up a studio. And there you go. Your marketing-ready product images are now created. You can edit them further if needed, or directly use them in your campaigns. And here's a powerful idea. You can take these images, upload them into any AI video generator, and instantly create video ads for your product. This means you can go from product to full marketing campaign in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching this video.